Revision doesn't have to be boring, it doesn't have to be silent worksheets, and it doesn't have to be passive learning. Let me show you how Canva whiteboards can turn student thinking into something actually visible. This is the KWL chart. It has 3 columns: what students know, what they wonder or want to know, and what they've learned. Let me set this up for GCSE Cells. You'll see a few things here. The topic is filled in. It now says cells. The context is given. This is revision for a GCSE Paper 1 exam. You'll also see that some of the stickies at the bottom have moved position. First of all, students already feel confident about the nucleus, where it can be found, and what it does. The cytoplasm is quite an easy one too. They also know about mitochondria. Depending on the class that you have, they may click and drag more stickies under the What I Know section. The What I Wonder section, or What I Want to Know section, is really useful because you can either click and drag a sticky as it is. So for example, students aren't sure about what ribosomes are or what they do, and they also aren't sure about cell walls. We can turn some of those sticky notes into a question, and specifically, students might know where ribosomes are, but they don't know what ribosomes do. For cell walls, students are unsure whether they're found in plant cells or animal cells or both. So you get some really important information in this section. And finally, at the end of the lesson, you can revisit what students have now learned. How confident do they feel? What have they changed their minds about? It shows you that the lesson was successful and students have moved on in terms of their learning.